It is noteworthy that a significant majority of individuals utilizing baking soda remain unaware of its most potent applications. This common kitchen item, available at a minimal cost per use, is present in countless households, concealing its significant potential. Many experts consider baking soda to be one of the most underestimated remedies available. Please consider this matter carefully. Have you ever considered the various applications of baking soda beyond its common uses in baking or deodorizing your refrigerator? Imagine being informed that this seemingly ordinary white powder possesses a rich history of unexpected applications, some of which may significantly alter your perspective on health. What accounts for the limited discussion surrounding the true efficacy of baking soda? And what benefits might we be overlooking? This video will delve into the remarkable health benefits of baking soda that are not widely recognized. I will also provide essential precautions and specify who should exercise caution when using baking soda. This is an opportunity you will want to consider, particularly if you prioritize your health and aim to make informed decisions. Before we explore the health benefits of baking soda, we would like to extend a warm welcome to those who are new to our channel. Let us advance collaboratively. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to ensure you stay updated with our future content. Your path to improved health begins now, and we are eager to support you on this journey. Please share your location by indicating your country in the comments section. We welcome your feedback and look forward to your response. Let us begin. The remarkable health advantages of baking soda. Initially, it aids in the detoxification process. Baking soda serves purposes beyond cleaning and baking. It is frequently recognized for its ability to enhance the body's inherent detoxification mechanisms. Baking soda, when dissolved in water, exhibits alkaline properties, enabling it to neutralize acids both internally and externally within the body. Baking soda baths are commonly utilized to alleviate irritated skin, diminish itchiness, and soothe minor rashes. The concept involves utilizing a baking soda solution to effectively extract impurities, resulting in refreshed skin and a more balanced body. Although this home remedy enjoys popularity, scientific evidence supporting detoxifying effects via the skin remains limited. However, numerous users have reported significant relief and comfort. The narrative becomes increasingly compelling at an internal level. Certain health enthusiasts assert that consuming a small quantity of baking soda combined with water may assist in alkalizing the blood and urine, thereby facilitating the body's ability to eliminate toxins. There is scientific evidence to support this, particularly for individuals with specific health conditions. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology indicates that sodium bicarbonate supplementation may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by mitigating acid accumulation in the bloodstream. This indicates that with appropriate medical oversight, baking soda may assist in enhancing the body's natural detoxification processes, particularly for individuals requiring support in managing acid levels. It is essential to recognize that the body possesses a remarkable ability to maintain its pH balance, and achieving significant alterations through dietary changes alone can be challenging. Excessive use of baking soda may result in adverse effects. Therefore, it is essential to exercise moderation. When utilized effectively, baking soda serves as a cost-effective and mild method to enhance your body's natural detoxification processes, contributing to a greater sense of refreshment. Subsequently enhances oral health and promotes teeth whitening. Baking soda has established its significance in numerous toothpaste formulations and home remedies for a valid reason. It is highly effective in promoting oral health and enhancing teeth whitening. Using baking soda to brush your teeth can result in a noticeably smooth and clean feeling afterward. Baking soda serves as a mild abrasive, efficiently removing surface stains caused by coffee, tea, or other foods that may diminish the brightness of your smile. Baking soda offers a gentle alternative to aggressive whitening treatments, effectively polishing teeth while minimizing the risk of damage when applied correctly. The advantages extend beyond merely achieving a brighter smile. Baking soda possesses alkaline properties which assist in neutralizing acids present in the oral cavity. The significance of this matter lies in the fact that acidic environments facilitate the proliferation of harmful bacteria, which can result in cavities, gum disease, and unpleasant breath. Baking soda helps to balance the pH in your mouth, creating a less favorable environment for bacteria, which in turn promotes healthier gums and fresher breath. Research findings support these assertions. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry indicates that toothpaste containing baking soda is significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth compared to those that do not include it. A recent study indicated that baking soda may assist in decreasing the presence of harmful bacteria in the mouth, thereby enhancing oral health. Nonetheless, moderation is essential. The abrasive nature of baking soda means that frequent use or excessive brushing pressure can gradually erode tooth enamel over time. Dental professionals advise utilizing it a few times weekly and consistently with a soft bristled toothbrush. Utilizing baking soda effectively can serve as a straightforward and cost-efficient method to attain a cleaner, brighter, and healthier smile in the comfort of your own home. Subsequently, it assists in reducing heartburn. Heartburn is a common and frequently uncomfortable sensation that numerous individuals encounter, particularly following the consumption of a rich or spicy meal. The condition often initiates with a burning sensation in the upper stomach, which may ascend into the throat, resulting from stomach acid regurgitating into the esophagus, commonly referred to as acid reflux. Additional considerations, including specific medical conditions such as acalia or eosinophilic esophagitis, along with weight gain or pregnancy, may increase the likelihood of experiencing heartburn. Although numerous commercial antacids are on the market, an uncomplicated and efficient solution can be located directly in your kitchen. Combining a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and consuming it gradually is a reliable method for promptly alleviating heartburn. The underlying principles of this are clear and uncomplicated. Baking soda possesses alkaline properties, allowing it to effectively neutralize the excess stomach acid responsible for the burning sensation. This reaction offers prompt relief, establishing it as a favored home remedy throughout generations. The medical community acknowledges sodium bicarbonate as an effective and rapid antacid. A review published in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology emphasizes its efficacy in delivering swift relief from occasional heartburn. The procedure is straightforward and readily available. There is no requirement for a visit to the pharmacy or costly treatments. A teaspoon of baking soda mixed with a glass of water along with a few minutes of your time can significantly improve your well-being. This straightforward solution is one reason why baking soda continues to be a fundamental item in numerous households. For individuals seeking prompt and dependable relief from heartburn, this simple kitchen ingredient can significantly enhance your comfort, allowing you to resume your daily activities with ease. Subsequently, antifungal properties. Fungal infections frequently present as itchy red or flaky patches on the skin, representing a common concern. In warm and humid regions, conditions such as athlete's foot and ringworm are caused by fungi that flourish in moist environments. Although numerous over-the-counter creams and sprays are accessible, a straightforward and natural solution can be sourced from your kitchen baking soda. The effectiveness of this household staple against fungi lies in its capacity to disrupt the environment, essential for the growth of these organisms. When applied to the skin, baking soda establishes an alkaline environment that compromises the cell walls of fungi, thereby inhibiting their survival and reproduction. This is not merely a home remedy that has been handed down through generations. There is scientific evidence to support its efficacy. A study published in the journal Mycopathogia demonstrated that a solution comprising 10 grams of baking soda per liter effectively inhibited the growth of 80% of the fungal strains examined. This notable outcome underscores the potential of baking soda as a natural antifungal agent. A straightforward approach involves creating a paste from baking soda and water, which can be applied directly to the affected areas. Alternatively, it can be added to a foot bath to provide relief and treatment for athlete's foot. A significant number of individuals experience alleviation from itching and discomfort following only a few treatments. Additionally, due to its gentle and non-toxic nature, it serves as an excellent choice for individuals seeking to steer clear of harsh chemicals. This effective and budget-friendly solution provides a viable option for those struggling with persistent fungal infections, aiding in the restoration of comfort and confidence in everyday activities. Next, it may provide relief for urinary tract infections, UTI. Urinary tract infections, commonly referred to as UTI, represent a frequent and often uncomfortable issue, particularly among women. The presence of a burning sensation during urination coupled with frequent urges and overall discomfort can significantly impact daily activities. Although antibiotics are the conventional approach to treatment, some individuals seek natural methods to alleviate symptoms and enhance recovery. A notable remedy that has garnered attention is baking soda. The concept of utilizing baking soda for urinary tract infections is based on its capacity to neutralize acids. When combined with water and ingested in moderate quantities, baking soda may assist in reducing the acidity of urine. The alteration in pH levels may establish conditions that are less conducive to the proliferation of bacteria associated with UTI, potentially inhibiting their growth and facilitating the body's ability to combat the infection. Furthermore, a decrease in urine acidity may alleviate the burning sensation associated with urinary tract infections, enhancing overall comfort. Scientific research provides evidence to support this approach. A study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology involved 33 women with recurrent UTI, who were administered sodium bicarbonate as a component of their treatment regimen. Following a 4-week period, numerous participants indicated notable enhancements in their symptoms, including reduced pain and discomfort during urination. Although these findings are encouraging, it is crucial to emphasize that baking soda should not serve as a substitute for medical treatment in cases of UTI, particularly in severe instances. For individuals looking for additional relief in conjunction with prescribed therapies, baking soda may provide a mild and cost-effective solution to alleviate discomfort. It is essential to keep in mind that persistent or severe UTI symptoms necessitate immediate attention from a healthcare provider. When utilized effectively, baking soda can serve as a valuable resource for maintaining urinary health and comfort. Subsequently, one may address canker sores. Experiencing the discomfort of a canker sore can be quite disruptive, as these small mouth ulcers can significantly impact daily activities. The positive development baking soda could be the straightforward and cost-effective solution you have been looking for. Canker sores, commonly referred to as ulcers, frequently arise from stress, minor oral injuries, or specific dietary choices. They can render eating, drinking, and even conversing quite uncomfortable. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is effective due to its capacity to neutralize acids in the mouth, thereby promoting a more balanced pH environment. This is essential as an acidic environment may impede healing and heighten irritation. Rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, generally consisting of half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, can effectively reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and accelerate the healing process. However, it is advisable to consider the scientific evidence supporting this claim. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association demonstrated that Sodium bicarbonate mouth rinses significantly alleviated pain and facilitated quicker healing in patients suffering from recurrent osteomatitis. The researchers determined that the mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda contribute to maintaining cleanliness of the sore and minimizing bacterial growth, both of which are crucial for recovery. Additionally, in contrast to certain over-the-counter treatments, baking soda is mild and unlikely to induce further irritation. When you sense the onset of a canker sore, consider utilizing a straightforward baking soda rinse. This approach offers a scientifically supported method to enhance oral health and provide relief utilizing resources readily available in your kitchen. Subsequently, it improves exercise performance. It may surprise you to learn that a widely used kitchen ingredient can enhance your workout performance. Baking soda serves purposes beyond merely baking cakes or cleaning sinks. This is a strategic tool employed by athletes to enhance exercise performance and combat muscle fatigue. This is the process overview. During high-intensity exercise, muscle activity generates lactic acid, resulting in a decrease in pH and the onset of the well-known burning sensation. The presence of acidity significantly contributes to muscle fatigue, frequently compelling individuals to cease activity prior to reaching their full potential. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, serves as a natural buffering agent. When ingested prior to exercise, it aids in neutralizing excess acid in the muscles, enabling enhanced performance and endurance during rigorous workouts. This is not merely a matter of fitness folklore. The foundation is supported by robust scientific evidence. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research examined various studies and concluded that sodium bicarbonate supplementation notably enhanced performance in high-intensity short-duration activities such as sprinting, swimming, and cycling. The researchers determined that athletes who consumed baking soda exhibited onset of fatigue and were capable of sustaining peak performance for extended durations. Athletes generally combine approximately a teaspoon of baking soda with water and consume it 60 to 90 minutes prior to their workout. It is essential to begin with minimal quantities as excessive intake may lead to gastrointestinal issues such as bloating or nausea. If you are seeking a natural, scientifically supported method to improve your endurance and maximize your training sessions, consider trying baking soda. Please ensure to seek guidance from a qualified healthcare provider prior to incorporating it into your routine, particularly if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Try it out and observe any changes in your upcoming workout. Subsequently, it may contribute to enhancing kidney function. Consider the potential of baking soda in safeguarding kidney health and enhancing their function, particularly for individuals managing chronic kidney disease. CKD. Individuals with chronic kidney disease often experience difficulties in the kidney's ability to adequately eliminate acid from the bloodstream, resulting in a condition known as metabolic acidosis. The presence of excess acid may contribute to the progression of kidney damage and negatively impact overall health. This is where baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, plays a crucial role. It functions as a natural antacid, assisting in the neutralization of acid within the bloodstream. Baking soda can help lower blood acidity, thereby alleviating stress on the kidneys and possibly slowing the advancement of kidney disease. This is not merely a home remedy. It is supported by substantial scientific evidence. A significant study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology examined patients with advanced chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis. The study revealed that individuals who consumed daily sodium bicarbonate supplements exhibited a markedly slower deterioration in kidney function in comparison to those who did not partake in the supplements. The group that consumed baking soda demonstrated a reduced likelihood of developing end-stage renal disease and necessitating dialysis. The research also observed enhancements in blood bicarbonate levels, which serve as a crucial indicator of acid-base equilibrium within the body. It is essential to acknowledge that baking soda is not a universal remedy and should always be utilized under medical guidance. Excessive intake may result in complications such as elevated blood pressure or fluid retention, particularly in individuals with cardiovascular or renal conditions. If you or someone you know has chronic kidney disease, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional prior to considering the use of baking soda as a supplement. When utilized appropriately and with proper guidance, this modest kitchen ingredient may contribute significantly to kidney health and enhance overall quality of life. Subsequently, it may alleviate arthritis discomfort. Consider the potential for alleviating arthritis pain through the use of baking soda, a modest ingredient that may already be available in your kitchen. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, is characterized by ongoing inflammation that results in joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, which can significantly impact daily activities. Although many individuals seek relief through medications and physical therapy, recent scientific findings indicate that baking soda may provide a natural and accessible alternative for managing these symptoms. The underlying science is both fascinating and full of potential. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology revealed that the consumption of a daily solution of baking soda in water may have an impact on the body's immune system. The study revealed that sodium bicarbonate helps activate the body's anti-inflammatory response while calming the autoimmune activity that drives conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal and human participants in the study experienced a noticeable reduction in inflammatory markers, and the balance of immune cells shifted toward a less inflammatory state. This means that baking soda may help soothe the immune system, reducing the joint pain and swelling that make arthritis so difficult to live with. For those living with arthritis, this research opens up exciting possibilities. Incorporating a simple baking soda rinse or drink into your daily routine could potentially help manage inflammation and improve joint comfort. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits, the idea that such a common household item could play a role in easing arthritis pain is both empowering and hopeful. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective remedies are the ones hiding in plain sight. Next, manages gout symptoms. Gout is a particularly painful form of arthritis, often striking suddenly with intense pain, redness, and swelling, usually in the big toe or other joints. The root cause, a buildup of uric acid in the bloodstream, which forms sharp crystals in the joints and triggers inflammation. Managing gout often means finding ways to lower uric acid levels and soothe the resulting pain. This is where baking soda or sodium bicarbonate comes into play as a surprisingly effective home remedy. Baking soda's alkaline nature allows it to neutralize excess uric acid in the blood, making it less likely for those painful crystals to form by helping to restore a healthier pH balance. Baking soda can reduce both the frequency and severity of gout attacks. A study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism indicates that alkalinizing agents such as sodium bicarbonate may assist in dissolving uric acid crystals and facilitating their excretion through urine, thereby providing relief from acute gout symptoms. Numerous individuals report that consuming a glass of water combined with half a teaspoon of baking soda may alleviate discomfort during a flare-up. In addition to alleviating pain, baking soda may contribute to the reduction of inflammation in affected joints, facilitating easier and less painful movement. It is essential to recognize that although baking soda can serve as a beneficial component in managing gout, it should always be utilized under the supervision of a healthcare professional. This guarantees that you receive the advantages while minimizing the potential for complications. If you are seeking a natural and scientifically supported method to manage gout symptoms, baking soda may serve as an effective solution readily available in your kitchen cupboard. Subsequently, it mitigates symptoms associated with colds and influenza. During the onset of cold and flu season, individuals may find themselves facing symptoms such as a scratchy throat, nasal congestion, and persistent discomfort. However, it is noteworthy that baking soda, a basic and cost-effective ingredient, can serve as a significant asset in addressing these prevalent issues. Baking soda, due to its natural alkaline properties, can effectively assist in breaking down stubborn mucus, facilitating the clearance of nasal passages and promoting easier breathing. This is particularly beneficial when managing a persistent runny or blocked nose. A highly effective method for utilizing baking soda in alleviating cold and flu symptoms is through gargling. Combining half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water results in a soothing solution that may alleviate discomfort in a sore, irritated throat. Gargling with this mixture alleviates discomfort, while effectively minimizing the presence of germs and bacteria in the mouth and throat, thereby creating a less favorable environment for viruses to thrive. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association indicates that regular gargling with a baking soda solution can notably reduce throat irritation and microbial load, thereby facilitating a quicker recovery from upper respiratory infections. Baking soda may be incorporated into saline nasal rinses to enhance the effectiveness of congestion relief. By breaking down mucus and neutralizing acids, it enhances your body's natural defenses and promotes a quicker recovery. When you find yourself feeling unwell, consider utilizing baking soda. This is a scientifically supported remedy that can significantly enhance your recovery time from colds and flu, demonstrating that effective solutions can often be found in your own kitchen. Subsequently, it may enhance cancer therapies. The notion that baking soda may contribute to cancer treatment may seem unexpected. Yet, it is a subject that is increasingly being explored within the scientific community. Cancer cells exhibit a propensity to flourish in acidic environments, which not only facilitates their proliferation, but also enhances their resistance to specific treatments. Baking soda, recognized for its natural alkalizing properties, has been researched for its potential to modify the pH surrounding tumor cells, thereby creating an environment less conducive to the spread of cancer. A notable study on this topic was published in 2009 in the journal Cancer Research. This study involved the injection of sodium bicarbonate into mice with metastatic breast cancer, resulting in a significant reduction in tumor acidity. The alteration in pH resulted in a deceleration of cancer progression and increased the vulnerability of tumor cells to chemotherapy. The findings indicate that neutralizing the acidic microenvironment with baking soda may improve the efficacy of standard cancer treatments. Researchers are currently investigating the potential safety and efficacy of using antacids, such as baking soda, in conjunction with chemotherapy or other treatments to enhance patient outcomes. It is crucial to highlight that this research remains in its preliminary phases. Although the findings in animal models show potential further clinical trials involving human subjects are necessary before baking soda can be endorsed as a component of a standard cancer treatment regimen. At this time, baking soda should not be regarded as a miraculous solution, but instead as a possible adjunct that could enhance current treatment options in the future. It is essential to consult with your healthcare team prior to considering any new supplements or remedies if you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment. At last, a natural deodorant. If you seek an effective and natural solution to maintain freshness throughout the day, consider the benefits of baking soda. Baking soda provides a clean and effective alternative to many commercial deodorants that depend on artificial fragrances and chemicals directly sourced from your kitchen. The effectiveness is attributed to its capacity to neutralize the acidic compounds in sweat responsible for body odor while simultaneously absorbing excess moisture. This establishes a setting in which odor-causing bacteria find it challenging to flourish, ensuring you remain odor-free throughout your most demanding days. The efficacy of baking soda as a natural deodorant is not merely anecdotal. It is backed by scientific evidence. A study featured in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate effectively diminished underarm odor when applied topically. The researchers observed that the alkaline properties of baking soda assist in neutralizing the acids generated by sweat and bacteria, thereby significantly reducing unpleasant odors. Additionally, its formulation excludes parabens, aluminum, and synthetic fragrances, making baking soda an excellent choice for individuals with sensitive skin or those seeking to minimize exposure to harsh chemicals. Utilizing baking soda as a deodorant is a straightforward process. Apply a small amount under your arms, either independently or blended with a touch of coconut oil for enhanced moisture. This product ensures you maintain a dry and fresh sensation even during workouts or in hot weather conditions. Although individual skin types vary and some may require sensitivity testing, baking soda continues to be a favored option for individuals pursuing a natural and environmentally conscious method of personal care. If you are prepared to move away from products containing chemicals, consider trying baking soda. This approach is straightforward and supported by scientific evidence, ensuring you remain confidently fresh throughout the day. Who ought to exercise caution? Although baking soda provides numerous health advantages, it is essential to acknowledge that it may not be appropriate for all individuals. Specific groups ought to take additional precautions, particularly when contemplating consistent use or increased dosages, regardless of weather. For internal or external applications, individuals experiencing kidney complications must exercise heightened caution. Baking soda contains sodium, and individuals with compromised kidney function may find it challenging to eliminate excess sodium from their bodies, potentially resulting in fluid retention and other complications. Individuals with elevated blood pressure should exercise caution. The sodium content in baking soda may lead to increased blood pressure levels, posing a risk for individuals who are already managing hypertension. Individuals with gastrointestinal disorders including gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux are advised to seek guidance from a healthcare provider prior to using baking soda, as it may affect stomach acidity and potentially exacerbate these conditions. Pregnant or nursing women represent another demographic that should exercise caution when considering the use of baking soda. Excessive intake can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, potentially affecting both the mother and the baby. Furthermore, individuals with recognized allergies or sensitivities may encounter skin irritation or digestive discomfort when utilizing baking soda. Therefore, it is advisable to conduct a preliminary test with a small quantity. Individuals with respiratory issues are advised to refrain from inhaling baking soda powder, as it may irritate the airways and worsen breathing difficulties. In every situation, moderation and appropriate guidance are essential. If you are currently engaged, I would like to know that you are with me. Please indicate your agreement by typing 1 in the comments. If this video resonates with you, please enter zoo if the answer is no. Should you find yourself in any of these categories or have existing health concerns, it is advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare professional prior to incorporating baking soda into your health regimen on a regular basis. Baking soda serves a purpose that extends well beyond its role as a common kitchen ingredient. This tool is both powerful and versatile, offering support for your health in numerous unexpected ways. The advantages range from alleviating sore throats to addressing gout and enhancing exercise performance, supported by both traditional practices and scientific research. It is essential to utilize baking soda judiciously and seek advice from a healthcare expert if you have any concerns. Have you ever utilized baking soda for any of these remedies, or do you have your own suggestions to contribute? Please share your experiences and inquiries in the comments section below. We appreciate your feedback. If you found this video informative, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who may also find it beneficial. We appreciate your viewership and support for our channel. We have carefully selected 2 videos to enhance your learning experience. Please select one of the options and we look forward to your presence.